Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking the amp and headphones so you don't damage either. First, verify the output type 3, 5mm, 1/4" or XLR, and pick the matching cable or adapter. Once done, make sure the amp's volume is down or powered off, and confirm the headphone impedance won't overload the amp. Then remove any dust from jacks and line up the plug. Insert it steadily until it clicks or seats fully. You now complete the connection and set the amp for safe listening. Insert the plug firmly. If you have balanced TRS or XLR options, choose them for lower noise. Next, set the amp's gain and headphone output mode. Some amps have a dedicated headphone switch or impedance selector, so choose the correct setting. Then power on the amp, play a test tone, and slowly raise volume while checking left and right channels to confirm proper stereo balance. You finish by making sure everything is stable and performing. Tuck and secure the cable so it won't tug the connector, then run a short listening test across bass, mid, and treble to confirm fidelity. Once satisfied, note your preferred volume and power down properly when done. If you hear no sound or distortion, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck the cable and seating first, then confirm the source output and amp impedance setting to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.